In March 2018, a former Russian spy and his daughter sat down on a park bench in peaceful Salisbury, England. Within minutes, they collapsed. They had been poisoned with Novichok, a military-grade nerve agent so deadly that microscopic traces nearly killed them. Security cameras revealed the truth. Two Russian intelligence agents had traveled to England using fake names. They found Sergei Skripal's house, and they painted poison on his door handle. Then, they disappeared. The contamination was so severe that hundreds of people needed medical checks. Entire neighborhoods were sealed off for months, but the horror wasn't over. 4 months later, an innocent British woman found what looked like an expensive perfume bottle. She thought she had discovered a gift. It was the same poison that nearly killed the Skripals. She died. Inside that simple perfume container was enough Novichok to kill thousands of people. This was the first chemical weapons attack on European soil since World War II, carried out by two men with fake passports and a bottle of perfume.